There's some red over there too. We're way over the hump. We're halfway there, over halfway there. We're closer to there than we were. Vlogmas day 14. Oh. Y'all, my day has started, and it started in my pajamas. I'm in my pajamas. I was looking for my jacket, but my jacket's in the back seat of the car. And I was looking for my jacket so I can go out to the car. So I pulled this sweater out. It's like a long sweater. It's warm, but it looks like a robe. Doesn't matter because I am in my pajamas. So that red view from this morning is not red anymore. The sun is coming through. It was just really freaky looking to see with the naked eye, the redness. It was really like hard red. Anyway, there it is. We are taking a little morning stroll, and it feels like it's going to rain, huh, Mom? She's being shy. Wow. But it has to be cooked good. Because it's chorizo. So. Schools. Oh, they have little jellies. Hot pepper, they would. You're welcome.
Yeah.
Okay, so we're inside this store looking for that brown mailing paper. $15.99 for these. School supplies. Hey, these are nice. It was like that already. put the monitor up there. You have all this desk space. Put your keyboard down here. Your printer or your printer scanner down there. I kept noticing pretty. We got 4 animals. Oh, I know, you're right. Well, that's stuck. That's stuck. You want to pull that? Pull it. You have to hold this up and then pull. Never mind. Never mind. All the trees are gone already. See, let's go look at all the gift things. There's some gifts there. Those little trees. How much are you guys? They're for $16. They were same size, same thing yesterday at Big Lots for $10. But they're pretty. These are cute. Look at these pillows. They're so pretty. Tree skirts. It's cute. Cute is that? These are pretty. I think that has a price on it. You know I have to play them right. Bicycles, scooters and bicycles. They must have put everything together. Oh, Mom. Living gift. So those containers are $86. These are nice.
86 cents.
No, $86. They just forgot to change the price.
Those are nice for...
So many people in the store. Oh my God. The wind is blowing in this little window so hard. It's like 59 degrees out there right now. Let's go out there. Look at the wind. Go. We're having a windy weather. This is like really unusual weather for here. I heard that weird noise. I don't know if the camera picked up on it. I'm going back inside. Just look at. It's blowing pretty hard. I got to go in the back to go get Butchie. Sounds like someone out there is yelling. Oh, it's the kids playing in the wind, probably. Let's go inside. I was editing, and of course it got dark really quickly. It's 7:30. I still have to put this in the video, the closing. I came back in here to close today's Vlogmas. You guys, we're this much closer to Christmas. Christmas is next week. I can't believe how fast December is just flying by. Okay, let's go get Butchie. The wind has got me concerned. Look at my wind-blown hair. I got Butchie inside. My legs are sore. Mom and I went for a walk today. We're supposed to start doing this on a regular, and my legs got sore. I was feeling it when we were at Walmart today. Oh my God. Walmart. I am not going to go back into Walmart, not once, if I can help it, this year. No. I think I was going to have a nervous breakdown in there. It was so crazy. I should have known when I couldn't find a parking, and it was just crazy. I don't even want to talk about it. It was crazy. It was just all negative. We just went in to get a few things, like last minute things. I told Mom, from here on out, we are going to, number one, go shopping early when we need to go get something from the market. And number two, I'm going to stick to the smaller markets. Aldi is smaller, but Aldi you have to go early because they get packed too. Dollar General has a market, so I will go there. Or, I don't know, even Albertsons. Albertsons is kind of near my house. Or Trader Joe's. Trader Joe's, you have to go early. And even then, people go to Trader Joe's. That is a small, like an intimate style, like old grocery store, old school. I mean, like way back in the day. But that place gets packed because everything in there is organic. And I told her, small markets. Early in the day and small markets. I'm going to steer clear from anything big box. Costco, Walmart. I told her I'm even sorry that I renewed my Costco membership this year. It's expensive. The only thing I actually value from Costco is the gasoline and the toilet paper. And even then, as you notice, I said gasoline first because you have to walk into that massive Emporium size store just to go all the way to the back to get your toilet paper. But I like you get that one big package and it'll last you for a good chunk of time. Anyway, I'm complaining. It's a Christmas hustle and bustle out there. Holy moly. Speaking of Christmas, it's next week. I was looking at the calendar today and I was like, hey, Mom, it's next Friday, I think. I think I saw that. Let me look at the calendar. Hold on. Christmas Eve is next Friday and Christmas Day is Saturday. So we have this coming weekend, and then it's the following. Which, as you well know, these days fly by. They fly by fast. So you guys, I'm just going to call it a night right here. Oh, before I do that, this morning I did get up and I was listening to the audio Bible. instead of reading because I just wanted to stay cuddled in bed and not turn on the lights because it's still dark in the morning when my alarm goes off. So I was listening to the audio on YouTube, the book of in Luke, and then I switch over to the book of Acts. Those two have got me so intrigued, even though I've read, I think I have. I'm so bad. But anyway, that's what I'm studying right now, are those two books in the Bible. I usually like to do that in the morning. I got this book off of Amazon because right now, I don't know if you guys know, due to medical, I'm off work for a little while. And one of my coworkers, he is an RN and an ex-military. I think he was Marine. I don't know. Anyway, he wrote a book. He wrote this book. So I ordered it off of Amazon. It's called On Account of Darkness by Ron Deaton. I love talking to him because he is a wealth of survival knowledge. This guy's so intelligent. So anyway, I remembered he had told us about this book. He did write this book, and I think he's working on another book. And also, he created these board games. He brought in, I think he did like 5 of them so far. He got them all patented. I'll come back and tell you guys about it too. I'll link it down below because I did get this on Amazon.